So here we are on my camper Copart experience. So what it is. Then I'm gonna take it back off, put butyl tape underneath here, ordered them on Amazon, and they should fit like, I think they're called trim, RV aluminum trim, and they fit on the edge right there. Yeah, this is the wall I rebuilt. Turned out kind of nice. Still getting measurements. Got the door. I had $1,000 budget for this thing, and this door was $300 worth. I'm probably $700. All right, here we go. Back at my little camper that I'm turning into a toy hauler. Got the front all done, and you see I got the Harbor Freight. I mean, not the Harbor Freight. The Home Depot. The Home Depot 8-foot sidings. It's all ghetto, but it was cheap. I have not been, I'm right at $1,000 mark maybe altogether on this thing. I did a lot of fucking roof caulking stuff around here on the outside, because I did have one little minor leak. Think it's all fixed up. Gotta rerun my electrical. So I got an outlet that I'm gonna put right here. Figuring out how I'm gonna do that. Gotta rerun my lights outside. I just got it run all together because I got the state inspection coming soon, because this is a salvage title. So I just wanted to have all my lights good when I pull it. But yeah, this is where my bike's gonna go. That's what that window was here, but now it's a door. So I'm gonna take that propane water heater, turn that into electric, run that off the generator, turn the stove, turn that electric. That's like $80 on eBay. This is like $100 on Amazon. This is my door, my $300 emergency bus door. This is how my bike's gonna come in. They're gonna be parked right here. Do a Murphy bed, futon, and like a custom diamond plated floor probably. All right, y'all, back at it. So here it is. Got the camper set up. I got to take it to get the inspection in a few days. Got this little makeshift ramp, 2 regular lawnmower ramps, you know, just plywood on top for my crippled self. This jackknife couch, man. See this joint? They call it jackknife because it transforms into a bed. I don't know what size bed it is. It ain't no full. It definitely ain't no twin. Maybe it is a twin. I don't know. It works though. I think I'm gonna put the Harbor Freight rubber floor in and staple it down, call it a fucking day. I'm not trying to spend any more money on anything motocross related right now. So this is the thing. This is my drop down bed. You know what I'm saying? So I take these hooks, I put it right there. I take this ratchet strap off. This comes down, and those straps hold it in place. It's gonna be that high off the ground, like 2 feet, 2.5 feet off the ground. It's indented. It's made out of scrap wood. Trying to tell you, I ain't spend no money on this. I got screws and nails from fucking Ross to build this thing. When this drops down, I can put my twin size not insulated, but my twin size blow up mattress on top of that. So that's sweet. My blow up mattress is in there. Yeah, man, I like how this motherfucker's turning out. The bike's gonna come in right here. I'm gonna put those E-tracks in with the wheel stops right here. Roll them right in. Fuck it. I ain't got the money for those nice added stands and then doing the measuring and shit. Doing the E-tracks and calling the fucking day. Alright, here's the drop down bed with the air mattress going. Feeling. Yeah, this is a little preview how it's gonna be. I don't know about this Harbor Freight stuff right here, but I like it. Roll this shit right up in here. And definitely going to be painting all this shit. Put some designs in here, get a little fancy. Maybe some neon lights. I don't know yet. We'll see.